In this video, we review how to clean the TPP upper refrigerated compartment. Danger: do not clean the appliance with a pressure washer or hose. Warning: take care when moving, installing, cleaning, servicing, and maintaining the appliance to avoid cuts. Be sure to take care when reaching under the appliance or handling metal components. Required tools. Required tools include, but may not be limited to, the following: gloves, eye protection, mild soap, water, not shown, large container, rags, small dustpan and brush. Important: do not clean with steel wool or abrasive products. Do not use detergents or degreasers with chlorides or phosphates. Cleaning. Remove the food pans and carefully set them aside. Note: do not drop the food pans. This can cause the food pans to crack. Important: never lean on the false bottom baffle. It is not designed to support your weight. Remove debris. For large debris, use a dustpan. Carefully remove the false bottom baffles. Important: never lean on the false bottom. It is not designed to support your weight. Remove debris. For large debris, use a dustpan. Do not scrape debris against the front of the compartment because the debris will go through the air duct holes. After removing debris, clean the upper compartment with mild soap and water. With mild soap and water, clean the false bottom baffles. After cleaning, carefully reinstall the false bottom baffles with the tabs facing the compartment rear. Note: do not bend the false bottom tabs. Gently reposition the food pans. Note: do not drop the food pans into place. This can cause the food pans to crack.